It's too goddamn hot in this room. I look like a hobo with the beard, but... Oh, you're here. Hi! Alright, what do we have here? You're like, Kitze, I didn't subscribe to this channel for you unboxing boxes, unboxing little gadgets. I want the vlog. What happened to the vlog? I'm recording the vlog. That's the sad part. I'm recording the vlog everywhere I go. I have like 50 unedited vlogs, but I need to sit down and edit them. I promise you it's gonna happen. These videos are just easier for me. What I'm working on right now is my project called Siri, and these are all the tasks that I was finishing in. Why are you... Yeah, these are... Okay, I made my point. These are all the tasks that I finished today and yesterday because we have a huge sale. Fuck, I just... Okay. Because we have a huge sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. My head has been crazy and I did a workshop last week. I'm doing a workshop this week, and in between I got this thing that I hadn't opened for a couple of days, and I wanted to open it for you, to unbox it for you. So let's see what the fucking... Yeah, I'm gonna leave a link for this in the description if you want to check it out. But anyway, where's my unboxing? Let's get this party started, cause this is so exciting. This is not a song. Okay, here it says surface transportation only, and it has a couple of like danger signs and shit. So you're like, what the fuck, are you unboxing a bomb? You cannot do that. It's freaking YouTube. Don't do that, man. You're gonna ban your channel. It's not a bomb. It's something really interesting. It's something that I already had for the... I'll show you. That's the point. That's why it's called unboxing. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, okay? Let's see if we actually... Yeah, such a huge box for just a little thing in there. So, okay, that's also sealed to a... I don't know who's making these things, but we're gonna... to open this bad boy. We don't need this, we don't need all of this, so we can just... Yeah. Okay, so what do we have here? iPhone 11 Pro battery fat boy case. So I already have the one in white here for the previous one. Shit. The fat boy, and I really love that. Can you shut up for this video at least? I'm making a comparison between battery cases and phones, so it's not a fucking flex, it's a battery case, okay?
It's a flex.
So this thing looked ugly on first glance. You're like, what the fuck is this thing? Why would you ever put your phone in this? But it gives you like 2-3 day battery life, and it's a lifesaver when traveling. So I really love the thing, and I was waiting for the one for the 10. By the way, my girlfriend got me this sweet case. Just look at it. It looks like the Pixel 4, but it's not the Pixel 4 because it's better than the Pixel 4. So there's that. I love this case, but when I'm traveling, I need something that's gonna give me a lot of battery life. So this is the official iPhone 11X something. No, this is a 10 case, and actually it fits. The interesting thing is, if you put it, even though it's for the 10S, it actually fits the 11, and it's charging, so it's charging just fine. The problem is you're losing the widescreen camera, and we're gonna unbox it. This probably is the most boring unboxing ever, but what I want to tell you about this case, it actually integrates really nicely with iOS, and it gives you 2 to 3 days of battery life. So when you're traveling, you don't have to have God bless it. Wow, actually I love the green, I love the black one. So usually I was traveling with a power bank, and I would carry a cable, and this cable would be dangling from my backpack, around my backpack, inside, like from something under my leg, and then I would plug and charge my phone. But it was pain in the ass because I would have to take a cable for the power bank, I would have to take the power bank, charge the power bank, and think about the power bank constantly. So let's see, you just slide it from up here like this. Probably it's not charged now because I'm just opening it, and well, bam, that's it, started charging. You get 35 million days of battery life, and I actually love the black one. It's so nice. I don't know which one I prefer, but the black one looks really nice. And even though it makes the phone a little bit fatter, and you're like, what the hell is this? Like, this looks really ugly with the bump. I mean, the camera on the 11 looks really ugly, and now with the bump it looks even uglier. But actually, it rests really nice in the hand. So when you hold it in your hand, it's very ergonomic, and you don't even feel that you have it with you. So the difference with a power bank is you just put this in your pocket. If you want to charge it, you just put it on a wireless charger. Just imagine this is a wireless charger, and it's like bleep. And overnight you charge both the case and the phone. You don't think about, oh, did I charge my power bank and so on. So it's like really expensive, but very useful. You also have clones of these cases that don't integrate with iOS, and they're really cheaper, but they have something in this that they make it like charge accordingly, not to damage the battery, blah blah blah. You can see that it actually integrates with iOS and it tells you what is the... So yeah, one last thing I want to see on this case, like there's nothing special. That's why I said this is the most boring unboxing in the world ever. But one big difference between the new case and the old case is something that hopefully they're going to include on the new phone, on the new iPhone 2020. There is a dedicated camera button here, so I haven't tried it yet. And if you see that thingy, that's a camera button. And when we click it, it launches the... What? It doesn't launch the camera. Should I hold it? That's fucking bullshit. Doesn't work on a one click. Nothing. You don't get the camera. But if you hold it for a second, you get the camera. That's fucking shit. Look. I need to hold it for 1 second. So what I loved on Samsung phone and literally any Android phone ever, is if you just double click the power button, it launches the camera. On iOS, if you double click the button, you get Apple Pay. So that's really annoying. And with this case, at least you have an option. So you have your phone in your pocket, you just hold this for a second and well, bam, you're taking a selfie. You're like, oh my god, everyone likes me, I'm so pretty today. And then you close it. So that's one advantage of this case. Battery life on the new 11 Pro is fucking out of this world. It's like really good. I'm charging it every 2 days. So I'm assuming with the Fat Boy right now, it's gonna stay probably minimum 4 days. So that's really nice when you're traveling, a lot of GPS, a lot of, I don't know, you're opening apps constantly like Uber, Airbnb, Google Maps, checking your emails on the road and so on. So that can stress out the battery life. But with this bad boy, you don't have to worry. So I'm gonna give you the little montage. Hey Siri, how do you say montage?
Sure. Translate into which language? Arabic, German, Spanish.
Yeah, translate it. Okay, so in Brazilian Portuguese, it's called montajum. So here's a montajum of the 11 Pro Fat Boy, as I call it, case. Thank you very much for watching. This was literally the most boring video ever. If you made it this far, you're the best subscriber or not subscriber. If you're not subscribed, just smash that.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Can you tell them to subscribe if they're not a subscriber?
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
She's not sure about that, but I'm sure that you should freaking subscribe, and I will leave you with the montajum of the 11 Pro battery case. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
I don't know what.
Shut the f. Yeah, no, I'm just pretending to talk on the phone because of my subscribers. They need to see how the phone conversation will look like with the fat case. Would people like me with the fat case if I wear a fat case in public? Would I be fat? I don't know. You just have to pretend right now just so they can see how does it look like, and it's... Oh shit. Oh, you're still here. All right. So yeah, as I was saying, the Fat Boy is pretty cool, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.